Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about the properties of right angle triangles in geometry. Let us see the heading, the given heading. Check whether check whether the given sides or the sides of right angle triangle. Here three sides are given. So you have to find out the given sides or sides of a triangle or not. So you can by using the Pythagoras theorem only. By using the Pythagoras theorem, you have to find out whether the given sides, three sides, are the sides of triangle, right triangle or not. See the first one. So the given first sum is the sides are given three sides. A, B, C, three sides. Okay, 8, 15, 17. Here first one, the second sum 30, 40, 50. Third one 24, 45, 51. These are all the measurement of the three sides of a triangle. So you have to check whether these are all the sides of right triangles or not. Now let us see the solution one by one. Okay. Now let us see the first sum. The given sum 8 centimeter, 15 centimeter, 17 centimeter. This is the A, B, C. These are all the three sides are given. So A equal to 8 centimeter. Then B equal to 15 centimeter. Okay, side 2. C equal to side 3, 17 centimeter. So you have to write like this. So the Pythagoras theorem. So based on this Pythagoras theorem, A square plus B square equal to C square. Okay. So let us consider A equal to 8 centimeter, B 15 centimeter, C equal to 17 centimeter. Now let us see the left hand side. This is the LHS equal to RHS. Okay. Now you have to check it. A square plus B square equal to C square. Okay. Now let us check the given measurements of sides of a triangles or not. Now A square equal to 8 square, that is 64. Next B square, that is 15 square equal to 225. Next C square, that is 17 square, that is 289. Now you have to add this 2, A square plus B square. The total is C square. So 289 is coming or not. Now you have to check this now. Now A square plus B square equal to C square. Okay. So A square value is 64 plus B square 225 equal to 289. Now you have to add this 2. So the answer 289 only. So 289 equal to 289. That is LHS equal to RHS. So by Pythagoras theorem, the given three sides are, so by this finally you have to write by the converse of Pythagoras theorem, the triangle with given measures is a right angle triangle. So the given measures, therefore the given measurement, okay, the given measures is a right angle triangle. This is the final answer you have to write. Is it clear? Now let us see the second one. So the given measurement 30, 40, 50, that is A equal to side 1 equal to 30 centimeter, B equal to 40 centimeter, okay, C equal to 50 centimeter. First you have to write like this. C side, okay, third side 3 equal to 50 centimeter. Now we have to check it. A square plus B square equal to C square. Always the greatest side is the hypotenuse side. Okay, so that is, let us see the right angle triangle means this is A, this one is B, C. C is always the greatest side, that is hypotenuse side. Okay. So now A square equal to 30 square, that is 900. Next B square, that is 40 square. So here 16 4 4s are 1600. Now C square 50 square. Okay. So here 5 5s are 25, 2500. So you have to find out like this. Now you have to check it. A squared plus b squared. A squared value is 900 plus 1600. You have to add this to, you will get 2500. 900 plus 1600, that is a square plus b square equal to c square, 2500. So LHS equal to RHS. Both are equal. Now by Pythagoras theorem, the given measurements of the right angle triangle. So now after finishing this one, a square plus b square equal to, that is c square. So 900 plus 1600, that answer is 2500. Both are equal. LHS equal to RHS. So by Pythagoras theorem, the triangle with given measures is a right angle triangle. Is it clear? Now let us see the third sum, 24, 45, 51. These are all the given measurements. A equal to side 1 equal to 24 centimeter, B equal to 45 centimeter, C equal to 51 centimeter. First you have to write like this as usual. So you have to write that Pythagoras theorem, a square plus b square equal to c square. Now you have to check it. A square equal to 24 square, that is 576. Next one, b square, that is 45 square equal to 2025, that is 2025. Okay. Now next, c square equal to 51 square equal to 2601, 2601. Now you have to check, you have to add this two. Okay, a square plus b square, you will get 2601. Okay, 576 plus 2025 equal to 2601. That is LHS equal to RHS. Both are equal only. You have to check, add this one. Okay, you will get the same answer, 2601. Now therefore by using the Pythagoras theorem, the given triangle, that is the triangle with given measure. Okay, the triangle with given measures is a right angle triangle. So the given measurement make a right angle triangle. So this is the method to find out the given measures of right angle triangle or not. Okay, is it clear?